is the square of 1001 is the square of 1001 equals to 1,002,001. Give reason for your answer. Give reason for your answer. Answer. Using the square, using the square of sum of two variables identity. Solution is the square of 1001 equals to 1,002,001. Yes. Give reason for your answer. Reason. Now we have the square of 1001. The square of 1001. Square of 1001. Then we can write this because 1001 is a value that is greater than 1000. Hence, we can write 1001 as a function of 1000. So it means that 1001 will be 1000 plus 1 square. Then record the identity for the square of the sums of two variables. Record that what? A plus b square is equals to what? A square plus 2 into a into b plus what? B square. Now, we compare these two. We compare a to b and b to a. Okay, we compare a to the 1000 and b to the 1. So meaning that a equals to what? 1000. If a is 1000, then what is the value of b? B equals to 1. The value of b equals to 1. Now, it means that 1001 square will be equal to what? We are going to use this formula now. Anywhere we see a, we substitute 1000. Then we have 1000 square plus 2 into what? What is a? 1000 into b, which is 1, then plus 1 square. What is 1000 square? That is 1,000,000. Then plus 2 times 1000 plus 1. Oh, 2 times 1000 times 1 rather. What do we have? That's 2000. Then plus 1 square, which is 1. Now, 1,000,000 plus 2000, that is 1,002,000. Then plus 1, 1,002,001. So we have 1,002,001. So we can see that we solve from the square of 1001 and we arrived at 1,002,001. And this justifies the reason for the answer. Thank you.